Let me show you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. If you are just a beginner trying to learn how to use ChatGPT, let me break it down in a few steps. So firstly, you'll need to know how to access ChatGPT. There are two things that you can do. If you're using a desktop or a laptop, you can visit chatgpt.com and create your account if you don't have one. Or secondly, if you're using a mobile device, you can head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then download the ChatGPT application. Now, once you created your account or have been logged into it, the first thing you can do here is to start the chat. So for example, you can type in something like, if you type in something like this, it's gonna give you answers immediately. So depending upon your queries or your questions that you ask ChatGPT, it's gonna give you a prolonged answer. The next step or the next thing that you need to know is you need to be clear and specific. The clearer the questions you ask, the better the answers it is gonna give. So for example, if you search something like this, it's gonna give you a vague answer and it might not give you the exact answer that you need. You need to ask precise questions that lets ChatGPT figure out what you're trying to get. So instead of a question like this, you can ask in a question which is more precise and straight to the point. Now, whenever you ask these questions, it is going to give you a detailed answer as your question was clear and specific. Lastly, ChatGPT has various uses such as learning and studying, writing and emails, brainstorming ideas. You can also use it for work or school and can even work as a coding support. So based upon why you need ChatGPT, you can always have a workaround. So that was the video about the way that you use ChatGPT for beginners. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.